In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for booking appointments. To get started, open Google Calendar on a computer. This setup needs to be done on desktop. Mobile won't work for creating the booking page. In the top left, click Create, then choose Appointment Schedule. Give your schedule a clear title, like Consultation, so people know exactly what they're booking. Set the duration, for example, 30 minutes, to match the type of appointment you offer. As soon as you set this up, Google generates a public booking page link that others can use to reserve time with you, so you won't need to coordinate availability over email. Next, set your availability. Choose the days you want to take appointments, such as Monday through Friday, and define the time ranges like 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you don't want back-to-back meetings, add breaks in the middle of the day or create multiple time blocks like a morning and an afternoon window. This keeps your calendar realistic and helps you stay on schedule. Your booking page will automatically hide any times that conflict with existing events, so people only see the slots you actually have free. Then decide how meetings will happen. You can select Google Meet for a video call, which will automatically add a meeting link to each booking. If you prefer to talk by phone, choose phone call and provide any instructions your guests will need. For in-person meetings, pick the in-person option and make sure the location is clearly noted so attendees know where to go. Now customize the booking form. At a minimum, require a name and email so guests receive confirmations and you can follow up if needed. You can also include extra questions to capture helpful context, like what they want to discuss. Keep it brief so people can book quickly without friction. When you're ready to share, click Share Booking Page to copy your unique link. Send it by email. Paste it into a messenger, add it to your website, or include it in a social media bio link. A quick tip: put the link in your email signature or on a contact page so people can always find it. Before you share widely, preview the page to confirm the time zone and wording look right. That's it. With a clear title, accurate availability, the right meeting method, and a focused form, your Google Calendar booking page becomes a simple, professional way to manage appointments and save time for both you and your clients.